The baby's learning how to use the ladder when he falls off the cage. Uh-oh. Got it. He's still learning how to climb bars. He's not too good. Come on, baby. I know it's a long way. Come on, Blueberry. Come on, baby. Good boy. Good boy. I'm almost a pro. Come on, you can do it. Are you getting tired? You can do it. Almost there. Almost there, baby. I'm not going to let you fall. I know this one's probably the longest one. There you go. Good boy. See, he did it. And I'm trying to get them used to this new toy that Antoinette helped me find. It's a good special. It's so cute. They're just looking at it first.